Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to GEMS. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a 1-minute Notion hack that will instantly make your workspace pop. How to add color to any block of text in Notion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to highlight, organize, or just freshen up your notes and dashboards with color. No extra plugins, no fuss. Let's dive right in. First up, go ahead and open your Notion workspace. If you already have it open, perfect. If not, just head to Notion and sign in. Your workspace is where all your pages, notes, and projects live. Think of it as your personal command center for organizing ideas, tasks, or managing your team. It's important to start in the right spot because this color hack works on any page inside your workspace. Now, find the specific block of text you want to add some color to. This can be a heading, a sentence, an important deadline, or even just a word you want to stand out. Maybe you want to make your to-dos easier to spot or highlight definitions for study notes. To select the text, simply click and drag your mouse over the words, just like you'd highlight text in a regular document. You'll notice Notion makes it easy to select exactly what you want, so don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. You can always adjust your selection. Here comes the fun bit. Once you've highlighted your text, a little formatting toolbar pops up right above what you've selected. In that toolbar, look for the button labeled Text. Kind of looks like an uppercase A with a color underline. Click on it and you'll see a rainbow of options appear. This is where you get to choose your color. You can change the color of the text itself, so your words turn blue, red, green, or one of Notion's many other options. Or if you want even more impact, you can change the background color behind the text, making it look like you've swiped on a digital highlighter. This is super handy for organizing things visually. Think marking urgent items in red or setting calming notes in soft pastels. Take a moment here to pick the colors that make sense for your workflow. Maybe you want your headers in bold orange or important details against a yellow highlight. Try a few combinations and see what makes your Notion page easier to navigate. Remember, you can always undo or swap colors later if you change your mind. Notion makes it really flexible, so you're never locked in. And that's it, you've added color to your text block in Notion. It's a simple hack, but it can make a huge difference in how clear and visually engaging your pages look. Whether you're prepping for finals, juggling projects, or just want your Notion to reflect your personality, this tiny tweak goes a long way. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions about Notion, customizing your workspace, or any other productivity tips, drop them in the comments below. I always check and respond as much as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick, actionable tutorials like this right here in GEMS. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.